Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best folding treadmill. Here are the top 3 folding treadmills that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Echelon Stride Treadmill. This treadmill is a high-quality machine for people who want to get in shape, and it's easy to assemble. It has an impressive range of features including a built-in tablet holder, 10x50 tread belt, 0 to 10% incline, easy folding and storage design. With this treadmill, you can track your progress with its heart rate monitor and speed sensor, as well as access more than 20 workout programs. It provides access to preloaded workouts from professional trainers like Jillian Michaels to ensure a healthy body and mind. Echelon Stride Treadmill can be used for walking, jogging or running and has 10 different speed settings and 2.5 inches of shock absorption with every step. At number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. This folding treadmill is a great option for those who lack high budget and sufficient space to buy a traditional treadmill. Its compact design folds up easily so that it can be stored away when not in use. Each treadmill has an easy-to-use console with a large LCD display, built-in speakers, and a USB charging port. Its features include a 2.5 horsepower motor, 10x20 running surface, and an 8 preset workout program including manual mode and heart rate control. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill entail a maximum user weight of 300 pounds and consists of a 2 high-impact absorption system for shock resistance and durability. At number 1. Horizon Fitness Folding Treadmill. This folding treadmill is a compact, space-saving design that is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the house or apartment for quick workouts. The treadmill has an incline setting of 0 to 10% as well as speed settings from 0 to 12 miles per hour. This treadmill possesses space-saving convenience and features an LCD display, 10 preset programs and 2 user settings. It has a smooth belt surface for comfortable workouts and caters a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The Horizon Fitness T202 folding treadmill comes with 2 sets of keys that can be stored on the machine or in the included carrying case. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.